How you doing, Scotty Bear? Back with the totally stupid cooking show, breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day. I have a recipe for you. This is gonna be important to get your day started, important to make it last, stick with you throughout the day. So we're just gonna get started here making our shake. Many of my professional friends are like, Scott, I don't got time, bro. This is going to be basically, we're gonna need a lot of oats. You know, it's important. Start of the day. My mom used to feed me oats when I was a kid. Anyway, professionals tell me, oh, Scott, man, I don't got time. Buddy, you got time. Actually, this video probably gonna run less than 5 minutes. So if I can do it, which I am incredibly lazy, this is the most important meal of the day besides, like, you know, weed and coffee. Just want to get nice little greens in the morning, little celery sticks, break that up in there. Might as well get the spinach out of the way in the morning. Don't worry, you can't even taste it, it's just wonderful. Stuff that in there. Okay, we're gonna get this out of the way. Try to get some blueberries. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a wonderful part of the smoothie. Let's see, were we missing anything? I don't think so. I think we're in there. Just a couple minutes. Okay, that seems ready to me. And that video is not quite 3 minutes yet. You got breakfast all done. And that includes cleanup, as always. One of the most beautiful parts about this tool. So strong, I just filled up with water. You'll see the tornado action in there. Boom, cleans itself. Anyway, thanks for watching.